So now that I've just installed my new hydraulic brake system from Shimano, it's the MT200, let's do a bed in. So get up to typical cruising speed, then break down to a walking speed. Do this about 10 times. After bedding in the MT200s, I'm going for a short ride to test the braking power. And you know, they're very linear brakes. They are powerful, but you can control how fast and how hard you stop very easily by the amount of pressure you put into the lever. This is a very steep hill. I'm about to hit the front brake pretty hard. And yeah, I mean, it's just a lot of G-forces generated there with the power of that front brake. Hydraulic brakes are wonderful. You can hear my rear caliper making a lot of noise, but the front, silent and super strong when you want it to be, but very easy to control. So you know, the Shimano MT200 is really a great upgrade, despite the fact you have to install those little spacers. And I'll put more miles on it, see how the pads wear, and that those spacers don't cause an issue. And I'm only running a hydraulic in the front right now. The back is a stock brake. I'm looking forward to seeing how Lectric's upgraded hydraulics compared to this. When I get those in, I'll install them both front and rear and compare them to my upgraded system. But yeah, it's a huge difference. Great feel at the lever, easy to modulate, easy to control how much braking power you have, and when you want a lot of power, it's there. I mean, you'll just endo if you go full power. It continues to be fun to explore different braking options for the Lectric XP 3.0. We'll see where this braking adventure takes us. It's incredibly satisfying in an emergency stop situation to know you have the power there in a nice, reliable braking system. It really is fantastic to know you can count on your brakes, and that your brakes will be there, and that they have more than enough power and control for you to take care of scrubbing speed quickly and easily.